Hey, Natural Resources. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I wanted to roll out the other assignment that you all will have in addition to your cards that you guys are going to be working on. This is called the Phenology Journal. It's a big word, phenology. Phenology essentially means the study of the change of seasons and change in nature. And obviously, right now in Minnesota, we're in a really unique spot. Obviously, the first day of spring just occurred in March. And additionally, we're going to be seeing snow melting. We're going to be seeing leaves coming out. We're going to see birds chirping. Lots of cool and exciting things happening. And because we are at home, one of the coolest things we can do is take a minute to go outside and check out those neat changes. That's what we'd be doing in class anyways. So what I want you to do over the next however many weeks we're out is spend 30 minutes a week outside and pick a spot. It can be in the woods, it can be looking outside of your apartment window, it can be wherever you want. I want you to go outside, be immersed in nature as best as you can. I know some of you guys may not be comfortable going super long distances, which is why I said like your apartment deck might be an okay option. But I want you to go and observe nature every week and go to the same spot for half an hour. You can split it up and do 15 minutes on Monday and 15 minutes on Friday. You can do all 30 minutes on Wednesday. You can do all 30 minutes on Saturday, whatever you want to do. But every week I expect to see at least 2 paragraphs talking about what you saw and also what's different. Okay, so I want you to have a really good eye and appreciation for how that place changes from week to week. Okay, so I don't want you just to say it's pretty, it's cold, it's nice outside. Like that doesn't work for me. I want it to be a little bit more descriptive. So maybe put the date at the top. So if it's March 18th, put 3/18/2020. And then maybe say, today it was very chilly outside. It was only about 28 degrees. We had a northwest wind at 5 miles an hour. I noticed that there were 2 deer that were trotting in the distance during the first part of my observation, and they were looking for food or they were looking for whatever. Like make stuff up based off what you see and make predictions. Okay, this is what natural resource scientists do. They go out and they look at the environment and study it to try to learn more about their surroundings. Okay, and then as you go, so let's say we're into 3 weeks or 2 weeks, make comparisons to how things are different. Say I noticed about 2 inches of snow melted from week to week, okay? I don't have a fancy rubric or anything for this assignment. I want you to be creative and I want you to have fun with this assignment. But I'm gonna want these journals submitted to me by the end of the distance learning, either in hard copy or you can share them with me on Google Docs. But I would really prefer you guys just take a notebook with you outside, take some notes on what you see. You'll be surprised at all the cool stuff going on in Mother Nature that you might not necessarily have noticed before. So I will go ahead and in addition to this video, I will share an example with you guys so you understand what I'm looking for. But again, basically 2 paragraphs a week, 10 points a week, 30 minutes a week. Go outside, enjoy nature, check it out, okay? Hope you guys are staying healthy and staying smart. We really miss you guys around here at school. I definitely do myself. And I hope you guys are being careful and being safe and being smart. So have a great rest of your day and enjoy this assignment. I really want you to get outside and I really want you to go enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer you.